What does transformation mean to you? What is your definition of success? Are you stuck because of your limiting beliefs? Do you have any limiting beliefs? Hello, I am Jyoti and I am a certified life coach and an author of a book called Metamorphosis to a New Beginning. So how does this journey took place? This was somewhere in 2017 when I was working with an organization called Learning Come Foundation. I came across this advertisement in Facebook, and I wanted to join this free seminar and wanted to see what is this that the program is talking about. Because at that time I was struggling with my financial security, with my relationship, with my health, with my self limiting beliefs, and I was somewhere stuck in my life. I wanted to do so much, but I did not know how to do it. There was no one to guide me, there was no one to take me or to lead me how to go ahead with it. But I wanted to do something. And this program, when I came across, I liked the vision of Arfin Khan. I wanted to have a or wanted to just give it a try. So I joined the seminar and I liked what was told because I wanted to work on my relationship, on my financial independence, on my personal growth. And when I was doing this program, during the program, I had many breakthroughs in terms of my self limiting beliefs, majorly because I was struggling a lot with my limiting beliefs. I always had a doubt in my head, and which was stopping me from taking any action. I understood the science behind those limiting beliefs. How do they form? What is the process? What is the significance of working on it? Or why should we work on them? And this working on your limiting beliefs helped me to make them, to convert them into my positive codes, which is every day till now it is helping me. I'm not saying it's the process, but now I have the system, I have the process to overcome any limiting belief which is there and transform them into positive beliefs or positive codes. Another thing where I was struggling was my relationship, and I was not able to let go of it. I was in denial, I was in hurt, I was in humiliation, and I was not at all over it, which was affecting my health, which was affecting my relationship with other people, my professional journey, because I was not able to express myself clearly, handle anything. I was overwhelmed. But once I did that activity, which helped me to let go of past and move into the future, I could see the road ahead very clearly. I could see my goal. I could see my vision very clearly. And once that was clear, there was no looking back. I now whenever something like whenever I go into my low phase, or whenever I am troubled, I know how to pick myself up, how to move ahead, and how to use that system for myself. So this was my transformational journey, which I had taken upon myself, and now my mission is to help people in their transformation journey, helping them with this wonderful program, wonderful system, and helping them to create those transformations in them. So I, Jyoti, signing out, and hope to lead you in this program in your transformation journey. Thank you so much. Bye bye.